Yes, these look perfect for the market.
In American orchards, expert hands carefully begin the harvest.
Be sure to stack them gently now.
Yes, these look perfect for the market.
Freshly harvested American apples begin their journey to a state-of-the-art processing facility. Freshly harvested American apples arrive, ready for meticulous processing. Advanced automated systems ensure gentle apple handling from bin to water flume. The water flume gently transports apples, an integral first step for cleaning. Thousands of American apples embark on their vital journey, cleansed in the modern factory's pristine waters. Beneath the surface, each apple is meticulously washed, ensuring pristine cleanliness. Gentle currents ensure thorough cleaning without compromising the apple's natural perfection. The apples are expertly guided through every turn, their path precisely controlled. Through advanced engineering, this modern American factory ensures every apple receives a perfect wash. Apples transition from watery flumes to modern cleaning stations, ready for meticulous polishing. High-pressure water jets meticulously cleanse, ensuring every American apple is spotless and gleaming. The precision of modern machinery ensures each apple is flawlessly prepared for the next stage. Advanced optical scanners meticulously inspect each American apple, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Tiny blemishes, bruises, or color imperfections are instantly detected with unparalleled accuracy. This meticulous 360-degree inspection ensures every apple meets our stringent quality standards. Skilled American hands ensure every apple meets the highest standard. Years of experience guide each swift, confident movement. Unwavering vigilance ensures every apple's quality. This final human touch guarantees premium American quality. Every apple reflects the dedication of American craftsmanship. Precision grading ensures every American apple finds its perfect destination. Advanced automation meticulously sorts apples for peak quality and purpose. From orchard to table, American apples undergo rigorous quality checks. Our quality control expert meticulously selects a premium gala apple from the conveyor. Every detail matters, with the calyx inspected for any minor imperfections. Only apples meeting our premium standards continue to the next stage of production. Precision engineering guides each American apple, ensuring perfect positioning for optimal peeling. The blade meticulously removes the skin in a single, unbroken spiral, revealing the pristine flesh. The automated coring mechanism precisely punches out the core, leaving the fruit intact. American technicians diligently monitor the automated line, ensuring consistent quality. Every discarded peel forms a neat spiral, showcasing the efficiency and cleanliness of the process. Advanced technology and human expertise combine to achieve unparalleled apple processing quality. Skilled operators meticulously oversee every stage, ensuring apples remain perfect. Precision machinery and dedicated care protect the delicate fruit. From orchard to packaging, every apple reflects American quality standards. Their expertise safeguards the crisp quality of every American apple. Peeled and cored apples enter the automated slicing station, ready for precision transformation. Razor-sharp blades await, ensuring every apple is sliced with perfect uniformity. From whole fruit to flawless segments, the transformation is precise and rapid. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee the output, ensuring consistent quality control. Advanced engineering ensures each slice is flawless, minimizing waste. Precision robotics ensure each premium American apple is carefully handled for packaging. Automated systems ensure consistent product flow and presentation. Freshly made applesauce, perfectly portioned and ready for sealing. Both fresh apple trays and applesauce jars converge for final distribution. Precision machinery ensures every proudly grown in the USA label is flawlessly applied. Each label proudly declares the origin. Grown in the USA, a mark of quality. Apples move swiftly from sorting to secure, fresh sealed containers. A final, meticulous quality check ensures every apple package meets our rigorous standards. Finished packages are carefully organized for efficient distribution. Advanced systems monitor every stage, ensuring optimal efficiency and quality control. From line to pallet, American apples are prepared for their journey to homes. Skilled American experts meticulously ensure every product meets the highest quality standards. Precision and care define each step, ensuring perfect quality for consumers. Our commitment to excellence delivers premium American apples, fresh from our modern facilities. Precision robotics ensure perfect stacking, preparing our American apple products for distribution. Each meticulously stacked pallet then moves to be securely wrapped, preserving freshness. Sealed and secure, ready for its journey from our American factory. Ready for shipment, these premium American apple products move swiftly. Our commitment to quality, from orchard to your table.